So Booker Fracture Syrah 2017, 98 points, 96 points, some very humongous numbers. I do not know if you guys have ever had Booker Fracture. It's a Syrah from Paso Robles. Let's check out the review. So today we are having the Fracture. It's from the Booker Vineyards in Paso Robles. The vintage is 2017. Tell you about that, you must know by now, the winemaker is Eric Jensen. I don't know if I'm up to redundancy, but it's a Syrah 100% grown in Paso Robles. What I have noticed in the Syrahs, couple of Syrahs that I have been in touch from Paso, if the winemaker knows his stuff, he can put out some fabulous juice. And so is the case here. The wine is aged for 20 months in 65% new French oak, and then 35% goes in the one-time use. But that's pretty long of an aging of wine like Syrah. So what I'm expecting is full-bodied, lots of oaky character, lots of vanilla, good amount of spice, and let's see if this stands up to the 97 points that was given by Jeb Dunnuck. Right, so I poured myself half a glass. The color is purplish, like more shiny purple. You can see the legs, slightly on the boozier side. 15 points. 15 points is the ABV on that. So let's check the nose. Ooh. Like Cassis, blue raspberries, boysenberries. Oh my God. Blue fruits, more blue, like more of sugary candied violets kind of thing. Vanilla bean, you know, like that 20 months French oak. Now it's coming in. That which like that smoky character. Nice spice on the background. Very much so that oaky notes. More floral, I would say. Crushed flowers. Even some of that spice on that, like the bay leaves. Oh yes, that minerality is there. Let's check out the palate. Very smoky in character. Big. Wow, the finish is just still going on. Very long finish. That floral character is abundant there. Very clean. Clean doesn't mean that it dies off. It's still up there. It's a Syrah, so the texture is very balanced. I'm looking, yeah, the mid-palate is explosive. Very deep. The tannins are superb. Superb is the word. Very fine. Very elegant, I would say. Full-bodied wine. Now, I'm not gonna judge saying it's not 97 or not 98. Actually, 98 was Jeb Dunnuck that he scored. So it is out there. If you have not tried it, do not wait for the price and the free shipping that the club members and you guys are getting. It's a sure shot home run. Don't miss this one. Cheers.